All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This week, I'm gonna be doing something different. We're going out with the Detroit quad crew and we're meeting up in Southfield. So I'm kind of doing a vlog on my phone today. I kind of wanted to check in and see how everybody was doing. But thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you everybody for checking out the channel. I'm gonna grab a coffee here. I'm at my spot, Tim Hortons. So I'm gonna grab some coffee and then I'm heading up there. But I'll check back in with you guys when we get there. Got lots of cool footage. We're going to the first place that I ever did a vlog, so it's gonna be exciting. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll take you for the ride. Peace. Everybody, we have arrived at the spot. I guess the first spot I was telling you guys about, we got kicked out of. So before I got there, I got a new pin, and we have arrived at a new spot, and look who showed up. Oh, shit.
Hold on.
Look at this.
The Bears.
All right, we have the crew with us today. Look at this Vlog-ception here. We got Vlog-ception going on. We got Rob, we got Cowboy. Mouse showed up. How you doing, Mouse?
I always show up. What's up?
It's been a minute. I never show up.
You show up.
That's the odd thing, right? Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been to a meetup. Guys getting it in. How you doing, fellas? All right, man. You guys ready to rip it up today? Look at who this guy. Triple Vlog-ception.
Oh no.
Yeah, dude, this is, your mind's gonna blow. There are 2 other vlogs out right now if you're watching this. Check out Drones and FPV's channel. He's got one. Check out Cowboy and Trill House. They're gonna have one. As you can see.
Trying it out anyways.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. How you doing today, guys?
What's up?
Who do we have here?
Lizzie.
Lizzie? Awesome. Come to fly with Dad today?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Good to see you down here, brother.
Yeah, man. Glad I made it.
Yeah. There we go, Brock. Oh, shit. He's getting naked on camera for everyone. Get it. Look at this. He's getting christened. This is a baptism. Yeah, buddy.
Am I?
Got initiated. Everybody jump up!
Right, you forgot. You didn't hear about that part. You gotta get jumped in now.
Wash the face.
While you wear the shirt.
Props in, props out.
Yeah, buddy.
Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario? Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario?
Ayo, Bo knows this,
What?
and Bo knows that.
What?
But Bo don't know jack, cause Bo can't rap. Well, what do you know? The dog is first up to bat. No batteries included, and no strings attached. No holds barred, no time for move faking. Got to get the loot so I can bring home the bacon. Brothers front, they say the drop can't flow, but we've been known to do the impossible like Broadway Joe. So sleep if you want, like who will help you get your Z's true. But here's the real scoop. I'm all that and then some. Short, dark, and handsome, bust a nut inside your eye to show you where I come from. I'm vexed, fuming. I've had it up to here. My days of paying dues are over. Acknowledge me is in there. Yeah. Head for the border, go get a taco. I wreck it from the jump street, meaning from the get-go. Sit back, relax, and let yourself go. Don't sweat what you heard, but act like you know.
Yes, yes, y'all.
Yes, y'all.
Who got the vibe? It's the tribe, y'all.
Tribe,
Real
y'all.
live, y'all.
Live, y'all.
Inside, outside, come around.
Who's that?
Brown. Some may I say, call me Charlie. The word is the herb, and I'm deep like Bob Marley. Lay back on the payback, evolve, rotate the gates.
Contact.
Can I get a hit?
Hit.
Boom, bit with a brother named Tip, and we're ready to flip. East Coast stomping, ripping and romping. New York, North, Kakalaka, and Compton.
All right, we got Crash Bandicoot is stuck in the tree over here. We're gonna go check it out. We got Rob getting up in the tree right away. This is oh my God, is he going? Yeah, he can use the stick. It don't go that far. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, it's not a drone saver. It's a ghetto drone saver.
I have a 20-something GoPro at home. I forgot.
It's a paint stick. Oh goodness. Those are getting thinner, man.
Those are getting thinner, Miller. Yeah, I see.
Oh goodness. And he got it, guys. Look at that. Retrieve. The drone stick saved the day again. And the Navy SEAL.
Basically.
Oh God.
Not that one, Miller.
Yeah, that was a little flunky. He's coming out now, guys. This is how a Navy SEAL would do it.
Grab that one.
Got Brock's down here, making sure he's okay.
I'm gonna catch him.
He's gonna catch him, impale him. Look at this guy, man. What a trooper.
You guys plan on being here for a bit?
Probably.
I noticed you did all this in boots.
And there he is, man. Give it up for Mr. Trillhouse. Hell yeah. That's teamwork, baby. But all right, Crash? Did it survive?
I think I have a smoked motor.
Hey, that's not bad. All right, so we got some packs in. There was a lot of action. We thought we might have broke a window, but we didn't. So we're gonna hang out for a bit, get a couple more packs in, and then I don't know. We might move to another spot. We might not. Peace. So here we're heading out.
I don't know. Brock, you didn't go up? I didn't go up. He's waiting on you. He got scared. Yeah, Mike went up and called that building. He was like, is this?
So I hope you guys had fun. Getting ready to head out. I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. I know I haven't done a vlog in a while, but it was a lot of fun today, a lot of action. So I look forward to doing it again. I think I'm gonna get out next week with the guys, and hopefully I'll do another vlog. But until next one, we'll see you guys. Remember, hit that subscribe, hit the